dexterity as well.
Oh.
Nito ni Habakon. How about the jump serve? Picked up though by Lopez. Daguna. Saved. Nakalawan that time. Not gonna work. They go back to Joan. Ah, cross court kill for Joan Daguna.
Yun na. Ano ba naman yung 140 plus points last season? More to come para kay Daguna, for sure. Pero yung makita natin, no, once again, medyo na-late yung blockers ng San Beda Lady Reds. Kasi nga hinihintay ni Puso. Meron siyang slight delay bago niya ibato pa-open yung bola.
Yeah. And that's something they worked on in the off-season. Oh, service ace for Joan Daguna. I think that's her 4th ace.
Yes, that's her 4th already for this game.
4 service aces for Joan Daguna.
6 total para sa Lyceum. 4 doon sa kanya galing, Martin. Grabe.
Marami pa siyang attack points din. Oh! Another one for Daguna.
Make it 5 service aces for Daguna and 8 total for the Lyceum. Grabe.
That is target practice for Joan Daguna here.